So we made this little thing today. It's like August 9th. We're making some fresh chicken curry. Farm raised like from the Amish people. Me and Christian put this thing together. We're having a staycation. It's August. I think the 9th. These fat, juicy grapes.
Oh, come on, man!
Look at my Caribbean. Move your glass, Christian. We bought this table at Bon-Ton. They're selling out. It's perfect. Hey, buddy. Hey, you're on camera. You can say what's up? Look at these grapes. We are literally just picking them and eating them. Years in the making.
No, literally we are.
Well, yeah, we are. Yay.
Yay.
Look at my genius.